Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy, happy birthday, birthday, Shane, Shane, Shane. Get out!
Pagpatuloy mo lang kung ano man yung sinimulan mo, pagiging mabait na bata, masipag, basta wag ka lang din makakalimot lagi na mag-pray kahit ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo.
Si Daddy ay proud na proud sa iyo sa mga nararating mo, sa mga kaibigan mo, sa mga taong malapit sa iyo. Sobrang pala kaibigan mo, maaasahan ka sa lahat ng bagay. Patuloy na umaasa si Daddy na magiging mabuti, patuloy na magbibigay ng kasiyahan sa bawat isa.
Hello, Shane! Happy birthday! We love you!
Lights flashing before me, time's drifting away.
Sa kanilang dalawa, siya yung malambing. Siya yung palayaka, palakis. Ganon siya. Tapos pag ano siya, yung may nararamdaman siya, lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin, Mami, pahag. Ganon siyang bata, sweet.
But is it any wonder we're still here?
Yung gift ko sa'yo, as simple and as beautiful as you are, pinili yan ng anak ko para sa'yo. So no more lengthy messages dahil lagi naman tayo nagkikita.
But is it any wonder? Is it any wonder?
Touchy, sobrang mararamdaman mo talaga yung pagmamahal na gusto niyo maiparamdam sa magulang. Kaya sobra akong natutuwa sa kanya. Kaya sobrang napaka-suporta ko rin para sa kanya.
Is it any wonder we're still here?
Happy 18th birthday, Shane! We love you!
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.
Welcome to adulthood. Kabay sa mabubulong ka na ha. Pwede ka makakulong. Cheating ka na eh.
Better when I like me better when I'm with you.
Anak, ngayong 18 ka na, sobrang saya ni Daddy, ni Mommy na panibagong chapter na naman ng buhay na may maging matatag pa, maging successful, malawak ang pangunawa sa mga pang mangyayari sa buhay.
With me, stay a while, stay a while, oh. Stay a while, stay a while, stay here with me, lay here with me.
Shane, happy birthday. May God bless you and guide you always. Make your mama proud always. Be a good girl, study art, aim high. God bless you.
I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
Special thanks po sa mga bisita po natin na nagmula pa sa malalayong lugar. Yun pong mga taga Quezon. Mag-ingay nga. Quezon, palakpakan sa mga hiyawan. Wala eh. Quezon lang yun eh. Gano'n lang naman bumiyahin ng Quezon. papuntang Bulacan. Di ba? Grabe yung pagmamahal niyo kay Shane at sa buong pamilya niya. Actually po, ito po ay pamilya po ng daddy, no? Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At palakpakan din po natin yung mga classmates ni Shane. Classmates and friends of Shane. Ayan, alam niyo ba, kinabahan siya, kala niya hindi kayo dadating eh. Ayan, kaya alam ko na sobrang saya niya ngayon na nakita niya kayo. At doon naman po sa mga kapitbahay, mga from Julia Zaragoza, meron po ba dito? Kaway-kaway naman sa mga fans. Ayan. Kung sino ba ang proud parents ni Shane, so eto sila. Ang maganda at guwapong daddy ni Shane. At syempre, ang pinaka-paborito at pinaka-magandang ate. Palakpakan dyan natin, Ate Sam! Let's give a warm welcome to our lovely debutante. Please welcome, Shane. My dear guests, we can give a big round of applause to our beautiful young lady, the star of the night, the beautiful bunso of the Luistro family. Once again, our lovely debutante, Ms. Shane Luistro. O mapagmahal na Diyos, nagpapasalamat po kami sa iyong walang sawang pagmamahal at kabutihan. Ngayon, kami ay nagtitipon upang ipagdiwang ang 18th birthday ng mahal naming si Shane. Salamat po sa buhay na ipinagkaloob mo sa kanya at sa bawat taon ng paglago, sa bawat karanasan na humubog sa kanyang pagkatao at sa lahat ng biyaya na iyong pinagkaloob. Hinihiling po namin na patuloy mo siyang gabayan, ilayo sa anumang kapahamakan, at pagpalain ng mabuting kalusugan, kagalakan, kapayapaan, at katuparan ng kanyang mga pangarap. Naway patuloy mo siyang maging ilaw sa pagpapala sa kanyang pamilya, kaibigan, at sa lahat ng kanyang mga nakakasalamuha. Pagkalooban nawa ninyo siya ng karunungan, upang makagawa ng tama at maituwid ang mga desisyon at lakas upang harapin ang anumang pagsubok na dumating sa kanyang buhay. Patuloy mo siyang palaguin ang kanyang pananampalataya at pag-ibig sa iyo. Dalangin din namin na patuloy mo namang mapanatili ang iyong presensya sa kanyang buhay at naway laging madama niya ang iyong pagmamahal at pag-aaruga. Ang lahat ng ito ay aming itinadalangin sa matamis na pangalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus, aming Panginoon. Amen. Kasi nga pinagbibigyan lang kayo. Alam ko ate, pinagbibigyan mo lang sila. Sige na, girl, lagi ka queen ha.
2008.
2008 is correct. Bigyan ng pink na prize ka. Congratulations. Alright. Next question. Tumayo ka na. At which hospital was the debutant born?
St. Luke Hospital, Quezon City.
Nandun ka ba? Nandun ka nun? Magkatabi. Thank you. St. Luke is correct. Alright. Eto siguro naman, alam ng lahat to. Alright. Which school does the debutant attend? Yung mga kaklase, nahihiya pa. Wow! Classmate, syempre.
Our Lady of Fatima University.
Kaklase ka niya ngayon? Yeah, so, naiba na po. Iba na. Naiba na. Fatima, all four is correct! Alright, last three. did the debutant graduate from elementary? Ay, mga kabatch na! Go, go, go! Kanina ka pa, girl. Kaklase, pinsan, ano? Kapitbahay? And you are? What's your name? Jasmine. Sige. Ano daw siya nag-graduate ng elementarya?
2020 po.
2020. Ikaw din ba 2020?
Opo.
Same age lang kayo? Same school?
Opo.
Pati ng elementary? Totoo ba? Doon ka ba nakatira sa kanila? Opo! Alright, 2020 is correct. Mga batang-bata. Alright, question number 5. What is, hindi naman to halata siguro. Unahan na lang, what is your favorite color of the debutant? Naka-heels ka, girl. Dahan-dahan. Ay, ikaw naman, what's your name muna?
Live.
Kaano-ano?
Very best friend.
Nakatira din sa bahay nila?
Nung January 2 lang po.
Doon ka nagstay. Bongga kasi magpakain yung mami niyan, no?
My favorite color is pink.
Pink! Agree ba kayo na pink? Pink is correct! Kasi nga yung mga papremyo, pink na pink din. Okay, last. What is the zodiac sign of the debutant? Ayan, pagbigyan natin ang ating beauty queen. Kasi pinagbigyan kayo kanina. Pero bago yun, ma'am, kaano-ano ka nga po ba ni Shane? Cousin. Tangkad, no? Tatangkad ka pa ng ganito. Oo, 18 ka pa lang. Ayan, sige ma'am. Ano po ang tamang sagot dito?
Hindi ako pwedeng magkamali kasi parehas kami. Pisces.
Ayan, tumama ka na ma'am. Di mo na sila pinagbigyan. Congratulations! Pisces is correct! Congratulations po to all the winners! Alright, siguro naman, ano na tayo, no? At is na tayo sa isa't isa. So, we can start na sa atin pong 18 carnation. So, usually po, ang nakasanayan ay 18 roses. But this time, dahil paborito niya ang bulaklak na carnation, 18 carnation tayo. May we invite all the participants of 18 flowers or 18 carnation doon po sa entrance art. Tayo na po kayo. At kapag tinawag ko po kayo, isasayaw nyo si Shane. Then after a short dance, iaabot ng coordinator yung microphone sa inyo para sa inyong short message. Alright, ready na kayo guys? Sige po, proceed na po sa atin pong entrance art. Start na po si Lolo Ramon, Tito Michael, Miguel, Joaquin, Yuan, Carmelo, Ichi, John Dylan, Liam, Clyde, Edward, Jerome, Junisin, Clyde, Aldrich, Alex, Jomar, Rexan, Ramir, and Rosler. Alright. Para po isayaw ang ating debutante, let's start with Lolo. Si Lolo Ramon po ay daddy po ng kanyang mommy Michelle. Ngayong siya po ay 18 years old na. Si Tito Michael Australia para po sa sayaw kasama ang ating debutante. continue dancing lang po. Stay lang po kayo hanggat wala pa po yung kapalit na sasayaw kay Shane. Our next, Mr. Miguel. Next to Miguel. But before that, bigyan muna natin ng pagkakataon makapagbigay ng short message ang kanyang pinsan na si Miguel.
First, I'd like to say happy birthday, and I guess my message would just be to hope for the best and to hope for success in your future.
Thank you so much, Miguel. Next to Miguel, Mr. Joaquin Glorioso. Short message po from Joaquin.
I wish to say happy birthday and may good fortune find you.
Thank you so much, Joaquin. Ayan, please stay, Joaquin. Hanggang dumating si Yuan Esguera, another cousin of our debutant. Once again, Mr. Yuan Esguera. Short message from Yuan.
Happy birthday po, Ate Shane. I wish you a long life and a good health po.
Next to Yuan, Mr. Camelo Mangiyat.
Birthday po, Ate Shane. Wish you all the best po.
Thank you so much. Next to Carmelo, Mr. Ichi Esguera. for Ate Shane.
Happy birthday.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Ichi. Next to Ichi, John Dylan Manlapas. Palakpakan naman po for Mr. John Dylan. Ayan, mga bagets pala. It's okay, Dylan. A short. Thank you, Dylan. Smile, Dylan. Right, Jose. Once again, Mr. Liam Clyde Jose. Continue dancing, Liam.
Birthday, Shane. I love you.
Ayan, thank you, Dylan. Next to Dylan, Mr. Edward Servida. One of male friend of our debutant. Kabado si Edward eh, oh. Yung kanang kamay sa bewang, Edward. Ayan, perfect. Alright, tingin sa ating mga photographer. Any message, Edward, for Shane?
Hello. Happy birthday, Shane. Kahit di tayo masyadong bukal sa isa't isa, in-invite mo pa rin ako. Siguro second time ko to, kaya kinakabahan pa rin ako. Sana makapasa ka sa dream state mo na nakipag-exam ka. Sana makapasa ka and wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Shane.
Thank you. Next in line, Mr. Jerome Arcoires. Alright, Jerome, short message for Shane.
Shane, happy birthday. And always good health. Thank you.
Continue dancing, please. Shane.
Happy birthday, Ate Shane. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay sana maging matagumpay ka sa buhay at maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo. God bless.
Perfect. Sayaw pa ulit. Continue dancing, please. Next to Clyde, Mr. Aldrin. Thank you, Clyde. What about the short message, Aldrich, for Shane?
Happy birthday, Shane. Magpakabait and ingat palagi. Sana ma-achieve mo yung mga gusto mo sa buhay.
Sabi nila coming from you daw. Please stay. Continue dancing. Short message, please, Brian.
Shane, happy birthday! At sana wala mo ng boyfriend pagpatuloy pa ang pag-aaral. May boyfriend na ba? Hindi alam na tito. Ayan, sige. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. Please continue dancing po, Sir Brian. Smile. Alright, Jomar, short message.
Happy birthday, Shane. Sana maging masaya ngayong birthday mo. Sana yung mga wish mo matupad. Love ka ni Kuya Joe.
Ayan. Please continue dancing po, Sir Jomar and Shane. Next in line, Mr. Rexan Luistro. Sir Rexan, short message po para po sa inyong pamangkin.
Shane, happy birthday. Stay cute and fabulous. And study hard to attain your ambition. I love you.
Salamat po, sir. Please continue dancing po. Ayan. Dance po kayo. Second to the last. Palakpakan po natin, Mr. Ramir Luistro. Short message po, Sir Ramir.
Shane, happy birthday. Sana pag-aaral, kalusugan, huwag pumabayaan. Happy birthday.
Huling lalaking hahawak sa kamay ng ating debutanteng si Shane. Ang nag-iisang lalaki sa buhay niya, ang gwapong-gwapong lalaki ng pamilya nila, di ang kanyang loving father, Mr. Rosalier Luistro.
That's fun days. Singing along with the radio, little latitude, hanging on to that steering wheel. It's the man who hung the moon. Used to wrap my hands around his little finger. Turns out he was wrapped around mine. He said you
Isang malakas na palakpakan naman po para po sa father and daughter dance.
He always used to tell me, don't be anything you want to in this great big world, but I'm always gonna be Daddy's little girl. Daddy's little girl. When I count the blessings, I know where to start. He might not hold my hand no more, but he'll always hold my heart. Used to wrap my hands around his lips in this great big
Maraming salamat po, Daddy Sel. At inanyahan na po ang Go!
Just wait, baby, it's
Come on!
dancing for the lightning strikes. So sleepless in the morning.
Come on! Look here! Maraming salamat. Napakahusay naman ang 18th Carnation participants. Diba? Na-impromptu kayo. Pati si Shane, nagulat siya. Mag-o-opalite siya. Alright, and then...
Hello. Hi Shane. Simula na uli ng panibagong kabanata. Ingatan ng sarili, pati ang puso. Huwag kang magsasawang mangarap. Huwag kang magsasawang mangarap. Huwag kang titigil. Patuloy din maniwala sa sarili. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Mean. Next to Ma'am Mean, Ninang Chit Lozano.
Hi Shane, happy birthday. Bilang ninang mo, nagpapasalamat kami na binigay ka ni God sa amin, lalo na sa parents at saka sa family mo. Laging mag-aral na mabuti at simula ulit ito ng journey mo. So maging matatag lang sa sarili para matupad mo lahat yung pangarap mo. Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat po, Ninang Chit. Next to Ninang Chit, Ninang Luz Feliciano.
Happy birthday, Shane. May God always provide you the most precious thing in life, health, love, joy, peace, and prosperity. Wala dito si Ninong Joel.
Thank you so much po, Ninang Ella. Next to Ninang Ella, Ninang Maricel Caimon.
Happy birthday. May God bless you with good health. Just live your life to the fullest and because you only live once. Happy birthday again.
Maraming salamat po. Next po si Ninang Mercy or Tita Mercy Marquisias.
Hello. Happy birthday, Shaynak. Hindi ako ninang. I'm Michelle's college friend, barkada. Best mga barkada kami. And I'm so happy na makita, ma-witness to namin magkakaibigan. So, ang wish ko sa'yo, you dream big, you soar high, and continue to be a blessing sa family mo. And being 18 daw comes with responsibility and freedom. That's why yung gift ko sa'yo, ikaw nang bahalang pumili kung anong gusto mo. Okay, Nak, happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Tita Mercy. Next to Tita Mercy, Tita Jet Buaron.
Shane, happy birthday. May God bless you and guide you always. Make your mama proud always. Be a good girl, study hard, aim high. God bless you.
Thank you so much po, Tita Jeff. Next, Tita Jennifer Mendoza.
Ay, sorry. Grabe. Happy birthday, Shane. Nag-stutter na ako. Anyway, I am privileged talaga kasi nakasama ako sa program mo. Mula nung bata kayo, ngayon ang lalaki nyo na. Wish ko lang, syempre, like all mothers do, or like all parents do, syempre, ang wish ko, kung ano man yung endeavor na gusto mong marating, yung aspiration na gusto mong ma-achieve, sana magawa mo. Wag mo nang mag-asawa. Gawin niyo kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin. Live life to the fullest. Kasi darating din yan. At napakabilis ng panahon. Mas importante kung ano yung gusto niyo ma-achieve, with God's help, with the help of your parents and your good friends around you, kaya mo yun. Makakaya mo yun. And always be the sunshine of the family. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much po, Tita Jennifer. Next, Tita Grace Mangiat.
Happy 8th birthday, Shane. Always put God first. Keep chasing your dreams and always believe in yourself.
Maraming pong salamat, Tita Grace. Next po, Caitlin Ann Manlapas, pinsan po ni Shane.
Hello po, Ate Shane. Unang-una sa lahat, thank you po sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa akin ever since nung bata ako hanggang ngayon. And thank you sa advice mo sa akin palagi about sa buhay. Kinimi. Stay fresh, stay healthy, and ulit happy advance birthday, Ate Shane. I love you.
Thank you so much, Caitlin. Next, friend from class or friend from your school. Ayan, school. Ayan, nandyan po si Trixie Gadi. Ayun. Ayun pala yung table na mamaya may extra rice kasi may mga tao doon. Go, Trixie.
Happy birthday, Shane. I just want to say that I've always admired how wise and responsible you are. You always show how disciplined and strong you are as a person. And as you step into this new chapter, may this gift carry things that reminds you of your hard work. And I hope that this gift also bless you and be a small reminder of the bright future ahead. I wish you success, growth, and happiness. Happy 18th birthday, Prezi.
Thank you, Trixie. Next is Marian Ebkas. Ayan, nandyan na ang mga friend and classmate of Shay.
Una sa lahat, happy 18th birthday, Shane. Thank you kasi consider mo ko as your 18 gifts. Thank you din kasi kapag nahihirapan ako about sa ACADS related, ikaw unang natatanungan ko, ikaw unang, ang bilis-bilis mo kasing ma-approach. And yun lang, happy 18th birthday. And sana makapasa ka lahat sa mga state university na na-applyan mo. Yun lang.
Alright, next, Miss Sarah Arcoires.
Happy birthday, Shane! Do what always makes you happy. Thank you. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Sarah. Next, Miss Candy Pascual. Followed by Miss Violet Espanyo.
Happy birthday! Wishing you all the happiness in life. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga goals mo. Ayun. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much po. Alright, next po si Miss Violet Espanyo.
Happy birthday! Salamat sa pag-invite. Andito din kami nung libo ni ate mo. Kaya kompleto. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo is makatapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral, matupad mo yung iyong pangarap. And more blessing to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much po, Ma'am Violet. Next, Tita Annabel Luistro.
Happy birthday, Shane. God bless and sana mag-aaral mabuti. Yan lang. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Next po si Tita Glenda Cuadro.
Hello, Ate Shane. This may be an ordinary gift. Pero alam ko, ito yung magdadala sa iyo sa iyong mga pangarap. Simple lang to. Pero love kita.
Wow. Thank you so much, Tita Glenda. Last but not the least, Tita Margarita Malyari. Ay, pinakamaraming fan ang Tita Margaret.
Hi Shane, happy birthday. Yung gift ko sa'yo, as simple and as beautiful as you are, pinili yan ng anak ko para sa'yo. So no more lengthy messages dahil lagi naman tayo nagkikita. So I would like to thank you and your family for accepting my daughter as your own family. Happy birthday Shane, and I love you.
Thank you so much po, Tita Margarita. Please stay na po. Picture first. Alright. Go, Miss Laika.
So, ayun, Shane, happy birthday. Since nasa legal age ka na, Ate Michelle, magiinom na kami mamaya. Kahit pagod. Wish ko lang, lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, hanggat masaya ka, gawin mo. Kasi, we only live once lang. So, yun, dapat lagi kang masaya at lahat ng ginagawa mo sa buhay mo ay makakabuti para sa'yo. Yun lang. Happy birthday. I love you.
Thank you so much, Miss Laika. Next, Miss Joliana Rivera.
habol ka pa sa mommy mo pagpapasok sa work. Ngayon, malaki ka na. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo. Love you.
Thank you so much po. Ayan, Miss Joliana Rivera. At sa pagkakataong ito, meron po tayong special guest na wala dito, pero ang puso ay nananatiling nandito at nagmamahal kay Shane at sa kanyang pamilya. Meron po siya siyempre video message. Wala ka man dito, Tita Au Orozco. Ayan, nagpapasalamat ang Luister family sa iyo ng pagmamahal kay Shane.
Happy birthday, Ate Shane. Welcome to adulthood. May your heart continue to grow with love, wisdom, and the courage to follow your dreams. God bless.
Wish you all the best, Ate Shane. Happy birthday.
Ayan. So, wala man sila dito. Ang kanilang personal na presensya. Ang pagmamahal nila ay nananatili. Shane.
Happy birthday, Shane. I hope you achieve all that your heart desires. May this year bring you countless blessings and unforgettable moments. May your life ahead be filled with love, success, and happiness. Welcome to adulthood. Kabait ka, makukulong ka na ha. Pwede ka na makulong. 18 ka na eh. And happy birthday. I love you.
Thank you, Miss Ayesha. Nice, Tita Maureen Pascual. Come on, Tita Maureen.
Shane, happy birthday. May all your heart's desires come true. Stay humble, joyful, and a loving daughter to your family.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Shane. So now, you are legally an adult. So madami ka pang may experience ng mga challenges sa life, pero know na nandito kami para sa iyo. And then, since birthday mo ngayon, 18 years ago, yung mami at daddy mo, nilaban ka para mabuhay ka ngayon. So, always be thankful sa kanila. Yun lang. Thank you.
Next, Tita Resi Esguera.
Hello, Shane. Happy 18th birthday. Kala mo haba na sinulat ko na. Wishing you more blessing, good health, and endless happiness. Hope you continue be a good daughter, and may God bless you always. Love, Teach.
Next, Tita Marites Manlapaz.
Ate Shane, happiest birthday. May all your wish come true. God bless you always. I love you.
Next, Miss Maria Angela Isabel Manlapaz.
Happy birthday, Ate Shane. Wish ko for you is to have a healthy, happy, and fulfilling life. I'll always root for you and hope that all of your dreams come true. You are one of the women I look up to. I aspire to be someone like you na magaling magbigay ng advice, very hardworking, and very, very, very smart. Ikaw yung naiisip ko kapag I need my older sister moment together with Ate Sam. Kaya, thank you for not just being my pinsan, but also a best friend and ate. As you turn 18, I hope you'll continue to bloom like carnations, shine and be bright like the color pink. Parang dati lang kumakain tayo ng pansit canton kila na. So, ayun, happy birthday, Ate Shane. I'll always be there for you just like how you've been there for me. I love you beyond measure.
Next in line, Miss Athena Valiera.
Happy Legality, Maria Shane Mika Ilobistro. Ang wish ko for you ay ang alagaan mo ang sarili mo at of course, ang puso mo. I wish you'll reach all your hopes and dreams at remember na nandito lang kaming lahat para sa'yo. Proud kami sa kung sino ka ngayon, sa lahat ng improvements at sacrifices mo, and to the woman you'll be in the future. We've been friends for almost a decade, Nilail. And watching you grow shows that you'll always have a special place in our hearts. Love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Athena. Next, Miss Elise Tan.
Love letter na. May alikabok na. Okay, picture mo na, girls. Ang tagal niyan sa baul, ha? 18 years.
To my dear Shane, happy birthday, and I hope that you're currently enjoying your day or night today. Shane, thank you for being such a good best friend to me. For almost a decade, we've been on each other's side and we've witnessed each other's ups and downs. Palagi kang nandyan kung kailangan ka namin. Sa chat lang namin, sasagot ka kaagad. Shane, sobrang pure at sincere mong tao. And I hope na ituloy mo yung pagiging mabuti mong tao and kaibigan. I'm wishing you all the best, good health, and of course, sana matupad mo lahat ng mga ano. Uy, wag ka umiyak, pinakabahan kami. Hindi ka pa tapos?
Hindi pa nga tapos, nililigpit na yung love letter.
Nandito lang kami ni Athena palagi sa tabi mo to support you in every decision that you make in life. Enjoy this new chapter of your life and continue living with discipline. Happy legality and cheers to our friendship. Happy birthday to my not-biological sister.
Thank you so much, Elise. Next, Miss Felicia Angeline de la Cruz.
Ayan, may alikabok na rin yan.
Hi Shane, happiest 18th birthday, madam. Even though you're one of the youngest in Wonderbuds, ikaw yung pinaka-mature sa atin. I remember the first time we met nung Ellen. Yun yung nag-voice lesson tayo. Tapos, nung grade 9, nag-cross again yung paths natin. And you became one of my closest friends. You're one of the people na very vocal what you feel towards other people. Madam, thank you for all the advices you gave us. Thank you for reaching out to me non-stop when I became distant. Thank you for always understanding me. Thank you for everything. And I also want to say sorry. When you feel that everything is or everyone is against you, when you feel tired or burned out, and even when you feel happy or just normal, always remember that we
Or I, Wonder Pets are always here for you. I'm wishing you happiness and success in life. Me and Mommy are always here for you, research-related man or not. I love you so much, Madam.
Thank you so much, Felicia. Next, Miss Faith Gwyneth.
Happiest birthday, our dearest Madam. First of all, I want to thank you for being a good friend of mine. Thank you for always being there for me. Salamat kasi andyan kayo palaging tita for me sa pag-treat niyo sa akin na parang I'm part of the family na rin. I hope na you're not doubting yourself kasi magaling ka and naniniwala ako sa skills and talent mo. Sana kung ano man lahat ng dreams and aspirations mo in life is ma-reach mo. You're one of the strongest and purest person na nakilala ko. I'm proud of you for surviving those silent battles na kinakaya mo at dinarap mo mag-isa. I'm beyond proud of you sa lahat ng narating mo at mararating mo pa. I wish you all the best and all the happiness in life. You deserve every little things na nakukuha mo. Always remember that you are seen, you are loved, and you are more than enough. Please be kind and gentle with yourself.
Page 2.
I hope the world treats you well and good luck sa magiging journey mo. I know na aware ka na I'm not that vocal pagdating sa ating dalawa, pero always remember na you can lean on me anytime na need mo. Always remember na nandyan lang palagi yung fam, PPG, and yung VP mo for you. We love you and we are proud of you. Again, happy birthday, Armada. Fate Factor XOX.
Thank you so much.
Happy legality, Shane. May you achieve all of your dreams as you enter another chapter of your life. Thank you for being the mother of our group. Kasi kahit anong mangyari, nandyan ka palagi for us. And ikaw yung lagi naming nalalapitan. Of course, ikaw lang din lagi yung nakakaalam sa mga happenings ko sa life. Kaya super thankful ako sa'yo lagi. Always know na I'm also open ears kahit anong mangyari. Lapit ka lang sa akin, makikinig ako. I'm very much grateful that I became a friend of yours and I love you so much, our Madam. Happiest birthday.
Thank you so much, Rian. Next, Miss Kristen Courtney Kahili. Picture muna.
So, hello Shane, or what we always call you, the Madam of our group. So, out of all the people I've known, you're one of the people that stays closest to my heart. I thank Lord every day that our grade 9 journey happened. Kasi kung hindi, wala akong madam sa buhay ngayon. And our friend group, wouldn't have exist. Para sa akin, you are such a great and considerate person. Kaya I am, or rather we, are so lucky to have you in our lives. Palaban at matapang kang tao. But I want you to know that sometimes it is okay to rest kapag needed, whether by yourself or with us. I wish for you to get the best things in life. And I hope na lahat ng needs and wants mo, lagi mong makukuha. But most especially, sana ma-reach mo yung contentment and genuine happiness sa buhay. Always keep in mind that I will always be one call away, no matter where life takes us. Happy 10th birthday, Madam. Love.
Thank you, Courtney. Next, Miss Jasmine Leona Malyari.
First of all, walang alikabok yung akin kasi may hika ako.
To my dearest, Shane, as you step into adulthood, I wish you all the best and all the good things in life. I wish for you to be happy, have peace in your heart and mind, and most especially, I wish for you to fulfill all your dreams. I also wish you good health and growth. With all that being said, welcome to adulthood. Know that I will be with you every step of the way. You know the rest.
Thank you so much, Jasmine. At syempre, second to the last, the beautiful sister, ang paboritong kapatid, ang paboritong ate, Maria Samantha Michelle Luistro.
Recuerdo, amiga. Hindi. So, una, grabe yung moment na to. Kasi, parang, hindi, kasi parang dati lang, lagi kaming magkatabi, magsasabunutan, mag-aaway. Tapos ngayon, meron na kaming parang weekly podcast na kung ano-ano yung pinag-uusapan about life, about school. Tapos nagbibigayan kami ng advice sa isa't isa. So, ayun, this is a big parang chapter, hindi lang sa buhay niya, but sa buhay naming pamilya. Kasi, ayan, yung pinakabata, yung bunso namin is 18 na. Ito lang si Daddy Mikey. Okay. So, ito yung message ko sa'yo. Dear Shane, happy 18th birthday. This is a new chapter in life and I am thankful to be a part of it. I may not say it often, but I am always proud of you. You are unique on your own, so be proud also of where you've come and what you had achieved. I know life is tough, but know that Ate will be here to guide and support you as always. Be your own standard. Make your own way if it doesn't go well. I'll always pray to God, your good health and mind. I love you always.
Ang sweet ng ate. Sana all ganyan ang ate, no? Thank you so much, Sham. At syempre, ang pinakamamahal ng mga babaeng ito sa kanilang bahay. The loving mother, Mommy Michelle Luistro.
Dearest Shane, happy 18th birthday. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na super proud sa'yo si Mami, sa inyong dalawa. Lahat ng pagod at sacrifices, naging worth it. Kasi nakita kong lumaki kayo, mabubuti. Ay mabait at may mabuting puso ng mga bata. Habang papasok ka sa new chapter ng buhay na to, huwag ka magmadali, dahan-dahan lang. Enjoy life, but be responsible. I wish you all the best. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng dream mo na maging lawyer. Always be a blessing to others. Remember that Mommy is always here to support you. I love you.
Thank you so much, Mommy Michelle. At syempre, nangyayari na po ang lahat. This time, gagawin na po na after po ng pag-blow ni Shane ng candle na hawak ng mga candles participant, diretso na po siya sa birthday song, blowing of candle naman ang kanya pong cake. Precious ng mga taong ito, na mga nagmamahal sa iyo, Shane, ay magkakaroon ng katuparan. Dahil ang bawat usok na mula sa katilang iyong hinihipan ay papunta sa langit at ang bawat panalangin ay maririnig ng ating Panginoon. Huwag na pong umalis yung ating mga candle participants. Please stay na po. Maging saksi po kayo sa pag-blow po ng kandila ni Shane sa kanyang birthday cake. Kasama ang family, syempre. Ang kulang na lang ay ang Daddy Cell. Daddy Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa po, mas masaya. Sabay-sabay. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. Come on. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Close your eyes. Shane, make a wish. Make a prayer. At pagbilang ko ng 3, maaari mo nang i-blow ang kandila sa iyong cake. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Blow the candle. Isang malakas na palakpakan naman. At sabay-sabay tayo. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Shane. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Shane! Alright. Ayun, may get out talaga. Alright, maraming pong salamat. Our 18 candles participate a picture together with Shane. At the very special birthday celebration of our dearest Shane. Where's the photo booth?
Sometimes, but it's the only thing that
Followed by table number 5.
you will never be alone. We make these memories for ourselves. Your eyes are never closing.
And 2. The rest of the table, table 10. And participation. I-enjoy nyo na po yung photo booth.
Breathing fire. You're crazy and I love you. Oh, how many I give my all to you. You're mine. We're both showing heart. Though it's hard, 'cause I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all. So I just had to let you know.
I'm waiting for you only. It's not as touch and I feel weak.
I cannot lie. From you I cannot hide.
I'm losing will to try and hide it, can't find it. So, come on.
Come on, give me breathless.
Until I can deny this love feeling.
Let me know you're your kiss.
Congratulations! Please welcome Mr. Renzi Cornejo. Please sing.
Di dito sa ating daigdig.
Singer naman pala ito.
Hanggang may musika ko, tinatagalay kita'y iniibig. Kiliwag mo sa'king isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawa, lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung paano kita kamahal.
Dahil dyan tapusin mo
Happy
yan.
birthday, Jen!
Tapusin mo yan, inumpisahan mo yan.
Hanggang ang diwa ko'y tanging sa'yo lang ay mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko, hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig akong naririnig dito sa aking daigdig. Hanggang may musika kong tinatagalay, ita'y iniibig. Kiliwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawa, lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal.
Grabe. Ayoko na, ansa na yung kanta ko.
Tell me what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that's happened. We will search for an explanation. Only one thing it could be. That all the time when you go, girl, it was written in the sky.
Ayun.
It was born.
Inatake tayo ng kalaban ah.
The choice is never ours. It's just like the powers of the universe. It's got to make you mine until the day I die. That's the day that I was born for.
Palakpakan naman for Miss Laika. Hindi pa tapos. Kasi nga nag-ano kanina.
Trying to come between us. None of them say it's matter. When I look into your eyes, I let go where I belong here. In your arms I find yourself. Some nothing but feel so wrong.
Rap kasi talaga na Laika. Kasi chorus.
For you.
Hulaan mo ko lyrics.
That it is meant to be. This is feeling meant to be.
Stop that talaga. Thank you, Miss Laika. Tatapusin talaga sana namin eh. Ganun po talaga pag live. Medyo nagkakaroon ng problema. Ayan. Ano to? Ano? Ayaw nyo?
Pintig mo puso, akalaan para sa'yo.
Dapat may dancer.
I've been holding on. siya sabay pag-ibig na. Totoo ba pinagawa? Just why it feels so good. Pag mo lang makita ka, wala lang ang ba? Pag ikaw'y gabi na, feels like someone I'm with you. Pag isang pagkabi ko, sa isang pagkabi ko.
Ano, walang sumayaw? Sayang 500 sana yun. Wala. Surprise nga sana yung premyo eh. Thank you, thank you. Bigyan ng prize. Painumin ng tubig, may kanin pa.
Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway.
You can dance po. Come on! Pwedeng sumayaw! Mga titos and titas, isayaw natin to!
Other dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sound of voices. Sway me, make me, feel me, hold me, let me, ease me.
May kasi pa yung mga titos-tita dito. Parang ako lang yung kay Encho.
Other dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I go weak. I can hear the sound of fire.
Ayaw mo yan, tapusin mo yan.
Sway me now, make me feel alone. Sway me now, you know how. Sway me now.
Thank you. Ang bagets mo ba, pero alam mo yan. Kinakanta ng lolo mo. Ayan. Congratulations. Last na. Last one. Last one kay DJ.
Aking ginagawa, kung naman pipigilan ang aking sari, naisipin ka.
Napipigilan na iniwasan at kalimutan na. Di ko na mapipigilan ang aking puso.
Naisipin ka.
aking hinahanap.
At pag tayo'y nakikita, ayoko nang mawalay pa. Sinta! Come on!
At kalimutan ka, di ko na mapipigilan ang aking puso na ibigin ka.
Thank you so much. Natapos dito. Thanks. Ayan. Go, Shane! Pinalaki ka rin pala ng sex bomb, ha? Go, Bini Bang!
Sino siya? Ang lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng dating. Ay sino siya? Pag nakitang gumiling talagang gigigil ka. Daling-daling mo, galaw na gusto ko. Daling-daling mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling mo, hihinto. Grabe, daling-daling, 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 sige, daling-daling. Sino siya? Ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang gumiling-giling. Sino siya? Di na kayang pigilin, talagang magigigil ka. Daling-daling mo, sa'yo na gusto ko. Sige, igiling, maghihinto. O daling-daling mo, sa'yo na gusto ko. Baby, igiling, maghihinto. Grabe, daling-daling, 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 sige, daling-daling.
Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Woo!
I wanna know what's on your mind. Baby, can you tell me? We are such a mystery. Yeah, yeah. I see you liking all those pics, flirting with that other chick, baby. And I can't take this no more. Baby, can you tell me how you feeling? I ain't feeling, wait, I'm feeling about you right now. Baby, what you say is what you read. Talk to me, say what it is. Nobody better by your side. Baby, what you say is what you read. Talk to me, say what it is. Nobody better by your side. Please don't take it lightly. I like you when you like me. Just don't believe I'm there. I got you lately. I like you when you like me. Just don't believe I'm there. I got you when you like me.
Nag-enjoy naman si Shane. In fairness,
sa buhay natin. Sa mamahalin, sasambahin sa buhay natin. Mayroong isa bukod tangi sa lahat, at iibigin ng tapat. Ngunit sa di sinasadyang pagkakataon, at para bang ika'y nilalaro ng panahon, may ibang makikilala. At sa unang pagkikita, may tunay na pag-ibig na madarama. Bakit ba hindi ka na kilala na ako'y malaya pa, at hindi ngayon ang puso ko'y may kapiling na? Bakit ba hindi ka na kilala na ako'y nag-iisa ka? Sino ang ibigin? Ikaw mayroon akong nais malaman. Maaari bang magtanong? Alam mo ba nga matagal na kitang iniibig? Matagal na akong naghihintay. Ngunit mayroon dyan ng ibang minamahal, kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansin. Kung gano'n pa man, nais kong malaman mo, ang puso ito'y para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. At kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagpuso nandito ako. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Sino ang ibigin? Sino ang iibigin?
surrounded by all of these lies that people who talk to me. You've got the kind of look in your eyes that say no one knows anything but you. Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me. So there you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. You look so beautiful in this light, a silhouette over me. The way it brings out the glow in your eyes is still tender to see. All of the voices surrounding the city just fade out when you take a breath. Just say the word and I will disappear into the wilderness. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. So there you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. Yeah, darling, Lumiere over me. Lumiere, darling, Lumiere over me. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough. So there you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. You look so beautiful in your dress. I love your hair like that. In a moment, I knew you love.
Ayan, okay lang yan. Marami pa dito. Okay lang mas marami. Mas maraming laban. Ayan, Ate Laika, wag na lang ubusin yung drinks para mamaya may pang cheers to everyone tayo, ha?
Hello, hello. Ayun. Dahil ano naman to? Alcohol. Sweet. Sweet as wine. Shot po, no?
Sweet C. Okay, Aldrich, one word to describe she.
Ikaw ay isang mabait. Kagaya ko.
Ayan. Merong gaya mo talaga. Picture mo na daw. Next, Rachelene Serrano.
word na i-describe ko sa'yo is hands-on. Kasi yung mga question namin kahit late at night, nasasagot niya po agad.
Next, Rodeline or Shaina Santos.
I think one word to describe you is you're independent.
Next, Anginel de los Santos. Picture mo na po.
Hello. So, one word na madedescribe ko sa'yo is dependable, of course. Kasi, when no one steps up, lagi kang nandun. Lagi kang maaasahan. So, thank you for that. Happy birthday.
Next, Miss...
One word to describe you is genuine. Kasi your heart is so kind and genuine.
Next, Miss Mary Adrienne Angeles.
One word to describe you is bright.
Next, Miss Karian Aligarme.
Happy birthday, Shane. One word to describe you is achiever.
Miss Maria Angela Isabel Manlapas.
I-describe ko sa'yo is fierce.
Miss Elise Tan.
One word to describe you, Shane, is you're a very precious person for me. Yung precious lang. So, ayun. Ayun yung explanation.
Sa dami sana no? Pero isa lang daw eh. Elise Tan, Athena Balyera.
One word to describe you is you're unique.
Unique. Next, Felicia Angeline de la Cruz.
One word to describe you is masipag. Kasi since grade 9, parang lahat tapos na agad ng ginagawa. Ano ba?
Gusto niya kasi mag-explain, hayaan niyo siya. Alright, next is Faith Gwyneth Factor.
Ano po? Determined. No explanation needed.
Next, Miss Keith.
Okay, one word lang is thoughtful.
Jasmine Malyari.
One word to describe you is confident. But, kasi you know how to carry yourself.
Thank you, Jazz. Next, Ate Shamanza Luistro.
So, one word to describe Shane is strong.
Miss Iya Bartolome.
if one word para sa'yo is inspiring. So,
Miss Courtney.
One word to describe you is benevolent.
Uy!
Meaning lang po nun ay kind.
Kind pala. Benevolent. Alright. Sige, tayo na lang si Shane. Group picture. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Another one. Smile with all your heart and soul. Okay. Raise your glasses and cheers, everyone! Come on! Bottoms up! Woo! Thank you so much, girls! Maraming salamat. Guys and girls. Thank you! Alright, sa pagkakataong ito, eto na. Anong mensahe mo po sa iyong anak na si Shane? Sa iyong bunso?
Shane, anak, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Mami, ni Daddy, ni Ate. Patuloy ang paggawa ng mabuti sa kapwa, pagbibigay ng kasiyahan, pagpapala sa bawat isa. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Love you, anak.
Maraming salamat po, Daddy Sel. Pabigay naman ng microphone kay Shane. At this point, Shane, ito na yung pagkakataon mo para magbigay ng pasasalamat at pagbati sa iyong mga bisita.
thank you po everyone sa pagpunta niyo sa debut ko. It made it really special. Kahit yung presence niyo lang po yun nandito, ramdam na ramdam ko po yung pagmamahal niyo sa akin. And most especially po kay Tita Maris, thank you po. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Host Ina, Master Cuisine, sa Sunset Nights po namin, kila Kuya Kenneth po. Thank you so much po. Na-enjoy ko po talaga itong araw na to. Sobrang special po sa akin. Lalo na po kayong lahat na umattend kayo. At lalo na po kay Lord. Thank you po na nangyari lahat to. Sa lahat-lahat po ng blessings na binigay niya sa akin, sa pamilya po namin. I will never be grateful enough for everything that God gave me. And yun po, thank you po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan. Ano namang message mo kay Mami at Daddy?
Ay, hindi. Ayun po, Mami, Daddy. Thank you po dahil nagkaroon ako ng ganito kagandang debut. Hindi man po ako laging mabait, makulit minsan, lagi napapagalitan, pero hindi po magbabago yung pagmamahal ko sa inyong dalawa ni Daddy. Lagi po akong thankful for everything that you gave me simula pagkabata hanggang ngayong mag-18 na po ako. Daddy, huwag ka na umiyak. Naiiyak ako eh. Ayun po, thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Within those doors or sa kita man ng buong mundo, mahal na mahal ko po kayong dalawa. Thank you po.
Wow! Isang malakas na palakpakan naman for the Luistro family. And once again, tayo po tayong lahat. Group picture po tayo. Sama-sama tayo. Ayan, sa isang malakas